Leo tuko hapa Embu launch programs tunaziita diversification za Mount Kenya landscape ambazo tunashirikiana na factory za Kirinyaga na Embu. Alafu tunafanya pia kazi na Rainforest Alliance. Hii ni kwa sababu tunataka wakulima wakoe na mazao kutoka kwa other crops. Tunasema mimea mibadala, kwa sababu tunajua ya kwamba kutegemea chai peke yake hakuwezi, it cannot satisfy all the needs that our farmers have. That's why we have come here today to launch these diversification programs in various areas and in various value chains, such as avocado, beekeeping. Some are going into dairy, goats, and some are going into specialty tea, especially the local market. They want to do packaging for the local market as well. And as you know, teas are very healthy drink. Now infusing it with other herbs would also create that demand for healthy living. Kila factory tumewapatia milioni moja pamoja na Rainforest Alliance, na vile tulikuwa na hii mipango ni kwamba the factories participated in coming up with what they thought was a priority for them. We didn't choose the priorities for them, and we have given them 1 million, and they designed the project themselves. For us, we came in and helped them with the expertise that was needed, especially the agribusiness side. We have 8 factories that have benefited, so it's 8 million that we have. Our vision is really that this program will have a multiplier effect to all the farmers in all the factories in Kirinyaga and Embu. Ultimately, all the farmers will benefit from this program in the next 5 years.